This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine avocado on some bread, and the bread has been toasted. It's green, so technically it's healthy. So yay, Subway! For $2 nifty, he's bragging. Still boring as a truck full of ducks. I'm gonna put some fluffy dice on this Sambo. While you're watching, make sure that you're Hulk enough to smash the red button and ring the bell. Ding dong! Bread roll in half, butter thy pan of cookiness. Avocado cutting, toast the buns, and place in some garlic infused oil foil in the pan. Chuck on your avo, and drizzle on some extra virgin unless it's only gobbies and backdoor olive oil on top. Chili flakes, black sesame seeds, salt, black pepper, and drizzle on some lemon juice. Squirt on some mayo and enjoy. At my local supermarkets, avocados cost $2 each at the moment. So this cost me nothing because me missus bought them, I just nicked them and made the video. This has been Chris from Munch. See you next Tuesday. Grump!